Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this SKODA. It's not very intuitive, really. You've got your phone and you can find the phones that are actually connected, but what you have to do is go to menu and then find setup, and you can either select setup like so or touch the screen. So setup, then we have to navigate down until we come to Bluetooth, and we select Bluetooth, and then again you've got paired devices and find devices. So paired devices, and you see there, that's my phone and I want to delete it, so you've got to delete it. Delete, and just delete Lances while we're here, so we start from fresh. So that's how you delete it. So you have to go into setup, not the telephone. The telephone, it'll find the phones that are paired, but it won't allow you to delete it. So that's the first thing. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to this little SKODA. So first of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on. It'll probably show up at the bottom as MIB BT. Yeah, it has done, but we'll just make sure. Onto phone, and then it's got find telephone here. Please find MIB BT on the mobile phone. So it's also picking up an Audi that's just gone past. So we want find telephone. It's searching for telephone, searching for device. Okay, it's found, took its time. Having said that, it's taken its time, but I've already had my phone connected to this and I've just deleted it. So I've not switched my phone off, I've not switched the car off, so it's probably struggling. But anyway, so I'll click on Barry's phone there. Here we go. Bluetooth pairing request, pair 701-774, 701-774, pair, and yes. Do you want your contacts and favourites to sync? I don't, but you will, so I won't be using the car again. In fact, when I take it back in this condition, I'll be lucky to be alive after Land sees it. So that's it, the phone's connected. I'll just show you how to stream audio through the Bluetooth system in this SKODA. If you go to your iTunes, you'll see at the bottom, red triangle through red circles, and you've got MIB BT. If I just touch that, it shows you it. MIB BT's got a tick next to it, so that's fine. That's the system in here. So we then, let's see, that's playing. I'll just turn it down. We'll turn this up, go to media, and it's already on Bluetooth. If it's not, you've got source here, click source, and if you've got SD card in or USB, you'll have to change it around, but it's on BT there. So back, it's on my phone. If I turn that up and then turn this up quickly, there you go, Spencer Davis Group, and that's how you stream audio. That's it.